The topic before us is clearing up the skies using weather and weather correctly. These two words, weather and weather, are homophones. Homophones means those words which are pronounced almost identically, but their meaning and spellings are different. You will see that their meaning will be different, its meaning will be also different. Spelling is also no doubt different. This course will ensure you use whether and weather correctly, keeping your sentences clear and concise. Now, first we talk about weather, WHETHER. It means expressing doubt, uncertainty, or choice between alternatives. It may be possible that some of your friends are going outside to see a movie, but you are not in a position to decide whether you should go to see the movie or you should stay at home. Here we will use the word weather, WHETHER, weather. We will here understand the use of this weather word with the help of certain examples. I do not know whether to go out or stay at home. He does not know whether his friend is there or not. He doubts whether his friend is at home or not. I have not decided whether to go or stay at home. Whether we succeed or fail, we must try. Here we have used whether. Now we will talk about another weather, WEATHER. It is concerned with atmosphere. It may be possible that there is sunny outside, it may be raining outside, it may be stormy weather, a strong winds may be blowing outside, or there may be lot of heat outside, hot weather may be there. Here we are talking about atmosphere, weather, WEATHER. Weather means the state of atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time, as regards heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, etc. Now we will understand the use of this word weather with the help of some examples. We are expecting bad weather. Bad weather here means it, it may be likely that rain is expected heavily outside. The weather is sunny and warm today. We are talking about atmosphere, that there is sunny atmosphere, it is warm. There was a sudden change in the weather. It may be possible that there was it was a sunny day, but all of a sudden the weather has changed and now it is going to rain very shortly. It may be possible. If to remember which weather we are to use in our sentence, if we are to talk about atmosphere, we will use weather, WEATHER. If we are to express uncertainty or choice, we will use weather, WHETHER. By understanding the difference between these two words, weather and weather, you can eliminate a common grammatical error and you can ensure that your writing is clear and effective, and you are in a position to convey your message correctly to the other person. Now we will understand, or here we will use fill in the blanks to understand whether we have been able to understand this concept clearly or not. First is, please let me know dash you will be able to attend the party. Here we are uncertain whether we will be in a position to attend the party. Which whether is to be used? Here we will use WHETHER. We are uncertain. Next is the dash today is sunny and warm. Here we are talking about sunny, warm. It is the words which are used with respect to atmosphere. So here we will use WEATHER. Next is I cannot decide dash to go to the party or stay home and read a book. Here there is a choice between alternatives, or we are uncertain, or there is a doubt whether we will go to the party or not. So here we will use WHETHER. Now we need to check dash to see dash if it is safe to go hiking tomorrow. This sentence in actually means that we have planned to go hiking tomorrow. Hiking is a long walking in the countryside. Countryside means in the natural environment, away from the rural area, away from the towns and cities, in the natural environment, in the lap of nature. So here both these weathers have been used, both these words have been used. We need to check the dash to see, we need to check the atmosphere, weather to see. We will check the atmosphere, we will check the weather whether it is okay. If it is okay, then we will go. So we need to check the weather, WEATHER. We need to check the atmosphere if it is okay to see whether, WHETHER, it is safe to go hiking tomorrow. So by understanding the difference between these two words, we can avoid many mistakes which we may do in our writing. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course. Now the topic before us is don't be fooled, separating into from into. Into, into and into are two words. In the first case, into, it is a one word, whereas into, here it is a two word. So understanding the difference between these two words can be challenging because they sound identical in speech. When we speak, these two words are identical, pronunciation is same, but the meaning of these two words is different and their usage is also different. Firstly, we will understand the meaning of into, which is a one word. Into is a preposition. It indicates movement or direction entering something. It is also used to indicate a state of change or transformation from one condition to another. We will understand the usage of into with the help of some examples. He came into the room. Here into shows movement, that is a person came from outside to inside the room. The next is the company is growing into a global leader. Here it is showing change, state of change. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. Here into shows transformation from one condition to another. We also see certain more examples. He jumped into the pool. He jumped into the pool. So here into shows movement, that is the person was outside the pool and he jumped inside the pool. Now we understand the meaning of into. Here into are two words. It is a combination of two words, in and to. It is used in a lot of situations, often used with verbs to create a new meaning. Now we understand the meaning of this into with the help of some examples. He walked in to ask a question. So here, walked in means he came in to ask a question. Next is the administrator did not give in to the demands of the protesters. Here, we want to convey that the administrator did not agree to the demands. Here is no movement. Here the administrator has not agreed to the demands of protesters. He logged in to his account. Logged in to his account is a, when we want to access a website or our computer system, then we use the word login, sign in. So in that case, we use the words into, which in is separate and to is separate. Some more example. She came in to warm her hands and feet. So here she entered with the purpose of warming her hands and feet. Tips to remember whether it is into or into which we are to use. Think of into as a single unit. It is a single word. We are to think it as a single unit, and it is to be used when we are to indicate movement or change or transformation from one condition to another. He walked into the building. Here we want to suggest that he entered a building by walking. Movement, here it is movement. If in and to belong to separate parts of the sentence, that is, if these are two words, in and to are separate, then use into. She came in to see her friend. She came in means she entered to see her friend. Now here are certain practice questions to find out whether we are to use into or into to complete the sentence. He jumped dash the pool. Here a person is outside the pool, he has jumped inside the pool. So here it is movement. So here we will use into, which is a one word. She signed, access the website. She signed in to access the website. So here she signed in, to is separate. She signed in. Here it is digital access. The boat sank into the ocean, deep ocean. Here the boat was outside on the boat was in the ocean, and there is movement from outside to inside, deep inside the deep ocean. So here it is movement. We need to break dash the system into. Here break into means unauthorized access or forced access. The cat snaked into the house. Here it is movement. Snake was outside the house and it is entering the house when no one was looking. Next, the manager called the team into his house for into his office for a meeting. Here team is called to enter his office for a meeting. He jumped, the cat jumped into. Here it is movement. The cat was outside the box and he jumped into movement. The kids powered the juice into, because the juice was in some other container and it has been powered from that container to glasses. It is movement of juice. They went into the cave. Here it is movement. They were outside the cave. They came inside the cave to explore its depths. She logged into her account. She logged in. It is digital access. She accessed the account to check her email. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.